From the National Press Club in Washington, D.C., this is Rewind. Recently, law experts analyzed recent Supreme Court rulings, including the court's unanimous decision on banning the use of GPS tracking devices without a warrant.
What's really important about the Jones case, since issues are left open to the future, is what they didn't do. Had they affirmed the conviction, it would have meant that any law enforcement officer, federal, state, or local, could, for any reason or no reason at all, install a GPS device on anyone's car, because there would be no reasonable expectation of privacy, no search, no Fourth Amendment.
Julie Mason, host of the Press Pool on POTUS Sirius XM Radio, hosted a very casual conversation about presidential politics over drinks in the Truman Lounge with fellow Washington correspondents.
What was on the line on Thursday was President Obama's legacy, what he had actually spent pretty much 2 years in trying to do, and had the court gone the other way, that would have been a devastating blow.
At a newsmaker event, an activist urged reducing California's deficit through raising taxes on the wealthiest 1%.
If it does pass, which we are going to work very hard to make sure that it does, I think we have, for the first time in recent California history, an opportunity to press the reset button. And for the first time in years, we'll be able to say, okay, this is the bottom, and now we can work up.
A professional development seminar on Twitter stressed the importance of being professional and concise when using social media.
Interaction is vital. Bad tweeting equals no followers. Bad tweeting means it's a waste of your time.
At a conference hosted by the Center of Responsive Politics, a Maryland congressman stressed the importance of being able to track outside contributions in campaign finances.
I think it's very clear that the values of transparency and accountability are not some left-wing agenda. These are important American values. They're important to the health of our democracy. And that's why when you ask the American people, and you look at the surveys that have asked people about this issue, overwhelmingly, the American public supports the notion of transparency and disclosure.
Analysis shows that violence can spread within a human brain in a similar manner to that of an infectious disease.
In violence, what we're seeing is alterations in brain circuits and alterations in the way the emotional system interacts. We can begin to look at people as having acquired something unconsciously. And that's really what is happening to children. They're acquiring something unconsciously, not thinking it through. We can begin to see people and groups as having acquired a disease process.
From Washington, D.C., this is Rewind. I'm Jennifer Schonberger.